Croeso nôl, welcome back. Just a short one today to show you some views more than anything and to catch a bit of sunshine. Been doing too much paperwork this morning. So behind me, Pen Idwal. If you're doing the Carneddau range from the Ogwen Valley over to Conwy or Llanfairfechan, then Pen Idwal is the first mountain that you would ascend. Just there you can see Llyn Ogwen, Ogwen Lake, the mighty Tryfan behind me. I'll do a circuit round and we'd have Glyder Fach, Glyder Fawr, Devil's Kitchen. Not sure how easy it is for you to pick that out, but we will get closer. And then around to a garden. See you in a bit. It really is so stunning up here. Just makes you want to sing. Long and winding path that leads to the combe. Skip's just whispered in my ear that you might like one of these surprise approaches. Let's see what we can do. Well, it will be a surprise if I trip up because I'm not looking where I'm going. Cwm Idwal. And the Twll D, or the Devil's Kitchen. Looking over at the Idwal slabs there, or in Welsh they're called Rhywiaig House, which means, well, the slopes of the cheese. Just about to lose the sunshine on this westerly side of Cwm Idwal. There we are, just going behind the rocks there. Now, Cwm Idwal is the most southerly place in Britain where you can find some alpine plants, in particular some of the alpine saxifrages, and also the Snowdon lily. Pen Idwal again. You'll notice these very well kept paths here around Llyn Idwal. And this is the work of Parc Cenedlaethol Eryri, the Snowdonia National Park. They do extensive work to look after the footpaths to help with preventing erosion, because these are very, very popular walking routes in Snowdonia. This particular clip of Cwm Idwal is especially for Bill. Now, Bill lives on the west coast of Ireland, and he'd recently asked me if I would be going to Cwm Idwal and if I'd be going anywhere near Devil's Kitchen, because he has very fond memories of it. So there we are, Bill, Devil's Kitchen, centre of the shot there. In Welsh it's called a Twll D, which translates to the black hole. It's named Devil's Kitchen because when people would see steam rising from that gully, which can happen on a regular basis, they would say that it was the devil cooking. Just giggling to myself here, I can hear what sounds like somebody in distress just across the lake here, but it's actually the mountain goats. Very deceiving. There's been many an emergency call out reporting somebody in distress in Snowdonia in various bits, and it has been found to be the mountain goats. I'm also giggling to myself because this is supposed to be a short one, but I keep stopping to take photographs, so it's going to take a while. Skip seems to think that we're actually going up Devil's Kitchen. That is the path that you would take. There are steps on bits in the lower section, but it's not for the faint-hearted. It's quite a scramble up there. I've got an issue with heights though, and I've been fine when I've gone up there. But today we're going to go around the lake, so we're going to take this lower path here, looking over at the Idwal slabs again. Very popular climbing pitches there. Come on then, Skip, we better put a bit of a trot on. We're chasing the sunshine. I don't know whether you can make out a red helmet there, but somebody is having a bit of a climb on the lower parts of the slabs, dead centre. Nice bit of grass, Skip. I've just heard some geese, but I can't see them anywhere. The geese are actually on the lake. I don't know whether you can hear them calling. Well, the geese have waited for us. So elegant. So much evidence here that the Cwm was formed by glaciation. These rounded boulders. Called erratics. Going to bid farewell to you here. We're just about to drop down to the Ogwen Cottage parking area. Not sure whether the cafe is going to be open, so I did treat myself to a flapjack earlier, which I've still got in my rucksack, so that's my treat now that I get back down. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi am eich cwmni, thanks for your company. See you soon.